Just going to make a quick cover for a book as I've got a few minutes and I've already got my book binding glue out because I'm doing a couple of other projects. So I thought I'd show you my very quick, easy process for covering a basic junk journal cover. So I'm using cotton sheeting. This is just cream cotton sheeting. Got myself two covers out of craft board. These are A5 sized, and I've cut a piece of craft board the same height but for the spine, but slightly, or obviously quite a bit thinner piece, and I think that's about 2.75 inches, something like that. I'll give you the exact measurements hopefully on screen if I remember. Right, so what I do is I cut my board covers. I cut a piece of fabric, so you could use patterned, coloured fabric, anything you like really for the outside cover, but I'm just using plain cream cotton sheeting. You cut a piece that's slightly larger than the covers and the spine altogether, and then use a quality PVA, something like Mod Podge, or this is bookbinding PVA, but I think any PVA really would work as long as it's nice and strong. Then just coat the outside of your covers in a thin layer of your wet glue, and I will speed through this bit. So with the middle spine portion, it's important that you leave a very small gap in between the first part of the cover and the actual spine. So if you pop your spine upstanding like that and then drop it down, that will give you just enough space for the cover to be able to open and close without it causing a problem. And there we go, that's the cover covered. And the next stage is to let it dry, and then I'll cover the internal parts.